Mohali police were under line of fire of the Punjab and Haryana High Court for an alleged attempt to meddle in a case to favour Telephone Cables Limited, a company owned by Babli Barar, daughter of former Punjab Chief Minister the late Harcharan Singh Barar. The company is under debt of about 184 crore rupees.
The division bench of Punjab and Haryana High Court made it clear to Mohali police that it will not tolerate the undue interference of police in cases pertaining to recovery of financial institutions from defaulters. Such cases were civil in nature and police had no role to play. Stressed Assist Stabilization Fund, a Mumbai-based firm, had approached the Punjab and Haryana High Court stating that it had to recover the loan amount from the Telephone Cables Limited. However, the company was of very influential and politically connected people. The company, possession of which was now with financial institution, was trying to re-enter the premises with the help of police, the petition alleged. The petitioner stated that after a note from Debt Recovery Tribunal for auction of the unit, it had published a notice for auction and had prescribed dates from January 17th to 19th, 2013. Subsequently, the officials of the financial institution were summoned by the Office of Senior Superintendent of Police on January 15th, asking them to join investigation in a case where complaint had been received by police against it. The petitioner further stated that the police did not provide copy of complaint. However, the police officers coerced him to permit the officers of the Telephone Cables Limited to gain entry in the premises of the industry. The petitioner stated that it was working to recover the amount as per provisions of the Securitization and Reconstruction of Financial Assets and Enforcement of Securities Act 2002 and prayed that police be restrained from preventing the petitioner from recovery of dues.
As a matter of fact, this test asset reconstruction company, they were to recover about 184 odd crores. Now, after taking possession, naturally they have the right under 13(4) to proceed for sale. So they published notice and they said that the parties can inspect the factory premises between 17th to 19th. So on 15th, they write a letter to the SSP saying that we have learned from somebody that certain items have been stolen and you kindly investigate. So the SSP or somebody on his behalf gives a call to the office, head office at Bombay. The person comes on 15th. On 15th, on 15th he gets the telephone and 17th he comes here. He is threatened. This is what we have stated in the petition, that he was threatened to settle and not to do everything. The modus operandi, according to the petitioner, was that whenever the sale notice is issued, they get into so that nobody come forward to sell this.
During the hearing of the case on Monday, the division bench of Chief Justice Sanjay Kishan Kaul had directed Mohali SSP to appear before it personally. During the resumed hearing of the case, the bench expressed its displeasure over the manner police acted. The bench orally held that the criminal complaint seemed to be abuse of the process of law. Later in the afternoon, the bench passed orders that such judiciary would not allow such a meddling. Later, the bench was informed that police complaint by Telephone Cables had been withdrawn.
And yesterday, the Honorable First Bench, in fact, directed the SP, SSP and the CMD to be present today. And rest of the hearing, after hearing, they have passed this order that as a matter of fact, the police should not intermingle with the matter which are of civil nature, especially these property disputes, and the party should be left to go to the civil court for settling there, whatever the litigation there.
Interestingly, even the Debt Recovery Tribunal, its decision in a case on recovery of the amount had in February, had stated that the case depicted the story of lust, greed and nexus of willful defaulters who had powerful connections and means to make mockery of law and not paying despite having sufficient property in hands for years together. With camera person Shravan Kumar for Sanjay Mehta, this is Bharti Sharma for Day and Night News, Chandigarh.
खबरों की दुनिया में आइए, हमारे साथ कहीं भी और कभी भी जुड़िए। हम मिलेंगे फेसबुक पर, हम दिखेंगे यूट्यूब पर, हमें फॉलो कीजिए ट्विटर पर। खबरों के साथ बने रहिए रात दिन।